Hey there folks, and good morning. We are back here at Michelle's trailer today. Had a really nice night last night. It was actually sunny and got to have a little bit of a fire. Alright, so today we're going to get started on some woodworking stuff. Like I mentioned my last clip, gonna make a surround for that, and then build the door for that, or the face, build the face for the cupboards here, and yeah, a few other woodworking things today. So that's what I'm going to do to start the day off, and probably get distracted and end up doing something completely different later. That's how I roll. Okay, so I've made the surround. It's currently drying on the front of my truck. It's time to make all the drawer faces. Well, I've made all the cabinet doors. They're right there. Now I gotta do something that I've been meaning to do for a while, and I'm just gonna do it now because I want to finish with all my cutting and sanding and stuff like that before. Oh no! Ah! There's wind, and I didn't anchor the awning, so I should probably do that. I was just telling Michelle to do that earlier today. Yeah, anyway, the thing that I have to do right here, this is what I have to fix. So if you're a Boler owner or Scamp owner, you know that these doors start to relax, as in the curve that is on the bottom kind of starts to straighten out. So there's a fix where you put a piece of wood down here and a piece of wood up here, and then you put turnbuckles in between and pull in the bottom. So I will be doing that shortly. Alright, before we go ahead and crank these turnbuckles down, I just want to show you what the problem is and if this actually fixes it. So you can see there's a big old gap there. That's from the door relaxing. And so what I'm doing now is shortening this distance, and hopefully this will pull up a bit. I don't think we're going to accomplish getting the entire thing right flush, but it will be better. Okay. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing a massive difference, which is kind of luck of the draw. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but I don't think it's a bad idea to have
the turnbuckles in there so that at least it doesn't sag any further.
Okay, time to stain. Well, there's 2 coats of polyurethane on all of the faces. It's time to get everything out of the Boler so that I can start taping stuff and painting stuff in here. So, yay for painting. Not really. So as you can see, a few coats of paint. There's a heater. I'm going to heat it up in here tonight. And yeah, it's getting there. Well, I'm all done for the day. It's just about 6 o'clock. There's rain kind of coming in, and yeah, I'm just waiting for paint to dry now. So it's been a good day. I've got a lot done. Really happy with the progress so far. Still waiting on a few things to kind of come around so that I can really finish up the build, but thumbs up for progress and stuff. Could really use a countertop too. Home Depot.